Hey everyone, Robin Mungle here, and my follow along, bounce back into health routine here. I'm going to just today, in this video at least, go over my movement routine. So let's take a look at kind of what the game plan is. You can copy this and follow along, or you can do your own version of this. But I hope this gets the ball rolling mentally with like what to do physically to get ourselves back into a healthy routine. And I'm going to be filming the mobility in minutes, my first mobility minutes video right after this, so it should already be published for you to take a gander and follow along. So let's take a look at our movement routine, or what I'm going to be doing here, at least for the next 6 weeks. This is my starting point. Let's see if I can progress. Depends on how I'm feeling, depends on how my health is. So we're going to do mobility in minutes. And I'm going to be doing this daily, focusing on doing this daily. And to make something work, you also want to make sure that you don't have just a daily, you want to have a game plan. When am I going to do this? The more specific you are, the more likely you are to do it on a consistent basis. So for me, I like doing mobility routines, inserting them into a habit that I'm already doing, which is brushing my teeth. So I'm going to be doing my mobility in minutes routine every day with brushing my teeth. So I have basically 2 chances every day to do it, morning and night. And I'm happy if I do it just once, but if I end up doing it twice a day, fantastic. I'm going to be more mobile. I'm going to feel better. All my joints and stuff, a little bit less achiness, less stiffness, less soreness. The other thing I'm going to be doing is a brisk walk. So I'm aiming for a daily brisk walk for 20 to 30 minutes. I plan to do this after I'm done training clients, and then on the weekends it's really easy. I basically do it somewhere around lunchtime. So that's kind of my game plan. Now, sometimes things don't always go according to plan, so you got to be a little bit flexible, as I will, with doing it. If I can't do it after clients, I'm going to pick a time, but I am committed to doing it. Even if I have to walk around the house and not walk outside, I'm going to get that 20 to 30 minutes of walking in. Even if I got to break it up to 2 15-minute walks a day, I'm going to get that done. And then the final one, and this is the toughest one, is the circuit strength. So I'm going to be doing some strength training, really low volume, because my stamina right now is super low. And if you're starting kind of from scratch, or you feel you haven't done a lot, the whole goal here is to build up our work capacity. Can we increase the amount of work that we can do? And the idea is, like, my stamina is low, so I want to build up my stamina to be able to handle more workloads. I'm not worried about how heavy can I go, how hard can I push it, just can I endure a certain time? Can I start with 10 to 20 minutes? Can I build that up to 45 minutes 3 times a week? But we're going to start with 2 to 3 times a week. And my designated time, so I have actually planned some times out, created some space and scheduled those times in the week on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays when I have the lowest amount of client load and the most energy, and then on Saturday at 9:30 a.m. So I have 4 opportunities to do 2 or 3 circuits, so I should be able to get that done. Now here's the thing when it comes to all this stuff. You are twice as likely to accomplish your process, your actions, if you track it. For me, it's very simple. I have a calendar, a whiteboard calendar in my closet at home, and I just track it on there. Check mark if I did it, and then it's easy to track that way. Pretty simple. But that is my movement routine. You're welcome to follow along. I'm going to be filming what I'm doing exactly for my mobility minutes, what I'm doing exactly for my strength circuits, and we'll see what I can do. And of course, walking, probably not going to film how to walk. Most of us know how to walk. Anyways, I'm going to film the mobility minutes exercise video right now for you guys, so that way you guys can follow along with that right away.